In this video, I'll show you how to edit a Jotform after a submission has been made. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're on your home page, you'll see a list of your forms. Each form will show the number of submissions it has received directly beneath its name. Locate the form with the submission you want to edit and hover over it. Then click on the Inbox option. This will open a new tab that displays the Jotform inbox, where all the responses submitted through that form are listed on the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of submissions sorted by date and time, with the answers provided by the respondent. If a submission contains errors, typos, or incorrect information, or if someone follows up with corrected details, you can make edits directly. Click on the submission you want to modify. In the upper right-hand side of the screen, click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu. Select the Edit option. The original form will open again, pre-filled with all the previously submitted answers. You can now update any field, fix mistakes, or add new information. Once you're done editing, simply click on the Submit button again. The updated data will now replace the original submission in your database, and this is how you can efficiently edit a submission after it's already been submitted on Jotform.